Hey everybody, how's it going? My name's Taylor. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't noticed, I did come up with a little purchase, and I ended up picking up one of those vlog lights. Pretty nice. I actually ended up getting it at Walmart. They had like a special for like 20 bucks with the stand and like the phone holder. So yeah, we're getting some better lighting in here. Hopefully, I'll grab some more stuff later. But anyways, for today's video, excuse me, my name's Taylor. Welcome to my channel. This is Tay Customs. For those of you who don't know, I'm an ex-body technician, and I like to vlog in my spare time, showing people how to repair their own vehicles and just do dope shit to tune their cars. So in today's video, most of you guys know I have a 2003 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer edition, and let me go ahead and open it up real quick. Boom. Right here. This right here, Eddie Bauer edition, comes fully equipped with a DVD player, but we are tired of the gold. And so what we are going to do over the next couple days is blacken it out, and obviously the wheels as well, but all black everything. So yeah, today's video is going to consist of a little bit of Audi body information, and what we're going to be using today. Let me close my garage because I got HOA. And what we're going to be using today is some microfibers. You can pick up all this stuff at your local Home Depot. Super cheap. Probably spent 60 bucks on it. 220 hookets. Now, depending on your DA, you want to get stickets or hookets. I have Velcro, so mine is hook. So got some 220 grit. We also got Scotch-Brites for some scuffage. Some gloves, because you gotta keep your hands clean. Some more Scotch-Brites, 3M. Some 120 grit and some 320 to polish it off. Now, when people are doing like professional jobs, you usually want to finish off in 500. At least that's what painters do. Don't quote me on it. That's just what we ran in most of our shops. Whenever we'd finish our body work, we'd 320 it, and if you're nice, if you're a cool body tech, you'd finish it off with 500 and give it to the painter. But so pretty much we're gonna be getting rid of all that gold trim. Oh, you also are going to need some wax and grease remover. This stuff is your best friend, okay? This is gonna get all the remaining oil, any dirt, grime left over on your parts, and yeah. That'll just be for paint prep. So what I'm doing for color is, I'm not professionally painting it. I'm just rattle canning it some gloss black, because like I said, it's a 2003 Ford Expedition. What we have, what did I do with it? Oh, right here. We got some Color Max Krylon gloss black. Now, if you have a different color car, I wouldn't recommend using this because it just won't match. Luckily for blacks, they usually ideally end up matching anyways, but if you're like gonna be like super picky about your car and you want to color match like a red, you want to paint it professionally, because it's not gonna match. It just won't. Once you throw that clear on, it's gonna be night and day. And there's different shades and different hues. It's a different story if you want to go ahead and get you know, go to your local dealership and get matching paints with like the correct paint code. But even then, putting clear on top of the base, it's just gonna be a huge difference. But other than that, we're gonna start off. We're gonna go ahead, get my air compressor started, and then we're going to start prepping out these fender trims, and we are going to paint these black, just kind of as like a test run almost. But yeah, so we're gonna clean it off first, obviously. Then we're gonna hit it with like 120. Go ahead and probably we'll start off with 120, then 320 it. Clean it off with some acetone, spray it off, let it dry off, and then go ahead and spray paint this Krylon. Now this is a paint and primer mix, so I won't need to do any additional scuffing after this because it's already going to be glossy and it's going to be clear. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started, and tell me what you think. So this is generally what you want it to look like. If you get on the edges like that, it's okay. Just make sure you round them off so they're not like flat and cut. That's the luxuries of using a soft pad. A soft pad will, because if you're using a flat edge and you go over the corners, you're gonna flatten. You have this roundness, and if you're hitting a D like this, it's gonna flatten it out. So you want to use like a soft pad. But anyways, you want to get it all like this, all scuffed up. Usually you don't want to see any sort of like shinies, but a little bit of shiny is okay, just as long as the majority of it's scuffed up. Now that was using 320. Now what we're gonna do lastly is we're gonna take some acetone and clean it off, but make sure that you spray off the part and get all as much as the sanding dust out of there as much as possible. Then go ahead and use the wax and grease remover and put that on your little microfiber and then wipe everything down. You can use blue paper towels. It's really up to you. They all do like the same thing. I'm gonna use blue paper towels. I have the microfibers just because I needed some and just in case I was going to use it, but I forgot I had blue towels. Last but not least, always use your mask. Alright, so these have been sanded down, finished off with 320. Acetone, cleaned, Scotch-Brite, blown off, and now these are ready for paint. But that is the typical process for prep work. And the more prep you do, if you're in a body shop, the more you'll make your painter happy. But all right, gotta go ahead and paint these. All right, so I applied 3 coats and came out good. 3 coats, and you know, the Krylon's easy to spray because it's like no air, no drips, no nothing. So it's like cheat codes, especially like with the gloss for that like glossy texture. That's how it came out. Air. Now, it's not perfect because I'm not in a paint booth, so I don't necessarily have a controlled environment with all of these dust particles flying around. But for a 2003, oh well. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. I probably won't film doing all the bumpers and stuff like that, but that's pretty much a basic paint prep / paint minus professional guns and professional clear, mixing clear. But yeah, they look great. They actually look really good. Can't complain. So I just wanted to do a follow-up video. I'll show you guys how the Expedition looks now that it's painted. And what the? Alright, so now, like I was telling you right now, looks pretty good. Looks alright. Looks alright. Looks alright. Now, in the nighttime though, that color matches kind of day and night. It's got like a little bit of brownish haze to it, but what can I do in terms of, you know, not having an actual booth and not actually like paint matching? That's more of like professional auto body type stuff. You know what, I just wanted to get rid of the gold, and you know what, it don't look half bad with the all black front end. It actually looks pretty damn good. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I thought it personally came out great. All the way around, everything's been cleared. I even extra cleared the front bumper. And I gotta say, I really do like the all black SUV look. But yeah. If you guys like that, please comment, like, subscribe, support the channel. For those of you who are just hopping in this video at a certain point, my name's Taylor. Yeah, I do DIYs, man. If you guys like my shit, please share it. But alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace out, homies.